It's the e-com flipping revolution. And I'm going to talk to you about how people are literally flipping e-commerce sites and they're generating revenue from it. It's amazing. In fact, hanging over here, I'll come back to Aaron in just a second. But Aaron, how many sites have you flipped so far with Shopify?
3 sites so far.
3 sites. A total, how much money for flipping them?
90,000.
90,000. And that's just in.
Okay, so in the first 40 seconds, I'm not even in the first minute of an hour-long video. And what he said, I can't remember, $90,000 flipping 3 sites. So the thing is that this program made millions of dollars. We did millions of dollars off of this, and a lot of it was off of organic content like this.
And profit from flipping them, right? And that's not even including the profit from the store. So we're gonna have fun. Woo!
Okay, so, and I'm being real, woo, fire. I'm not really thinking too much. And I just did an open loop, right? So this is called a hook. So let me explain what I hooked. Within the first minute, I'm basically saying, let me quickly introduce you to somebody. How many sites have you flipped? 3. How much money have you made? $90,000. All right, cool. We'll come back to you in just a minute and show you guys how. So now you've immediately already heard like, whoa, something big. I want to learn how to do that, but now you have to wait.